Hi Jiteng!
Hey Shaknoza, how is it going with your room search?
I made a phone call to the real estate agency and they explained everything in detail, but I still have some questions.
Sure, what are the questions?
Last time you said that I need to contact or visit a real estate agent to tell them that I want to look for a house. This should be done 2 weeks or a month prior to my desired move-in date. Is it okay if I make a visit earlier than that?
Sure, but make sure you notify the agent about your desired move-in date to avoid any misunderstandings.
Alright, I'll keep that in mind. Is there anything I need to prepare before I visit the agency?
Before you visit, you should have an idea on how much deposit you can afford, idea on monthly rent and maintenance fees. Also, if you want the landlord to provide home appliance and furniture.
I see, good to know. I haven't given it much thought, but is there any way to reduce monthly rent?
Generally, the higher the deposit money, the lower the monthly rent. Or if you wish to lower the deposit, your monthly rent will increase.
That means I can negotiate the deposit and monthly rent with the landlord or real estate agent, right?
Yes, that's possible. You could get a discount on your monthly rent if you pay in advance, like 6 months or up to a year worth. But if you were to do so, make sure that it's written clearly in your contract to maintain transparency.
Do you have any other tips?
When you're offered a price for the room, make sure you double check whether the maintenance fees and utilities are paid together or separately, like gas, electricity, water, internet, TV, and others.
What else do I need to look for?
Check if any home appliance or furniture are provided by the landlord. The landlord could provide a wardrobe, bed, washing machine, stool, table, chair, microwave, etc.
Wow, that's a lot of options. If something that I would like to have is not provided as an option, what can I do?
You can try to bargain with the landlord or with the real estate agent to get a discount from the monthly rent fee, deposit, or just buy the appliance you want at your own expense.
I'm still a bit unsure of how to start this process.
First, make an appointment for visiting a room in the area that you wish to live in. After telling the agent your budget and other requirements, then you can see the available options. You can request a visit to the rooms of your choice. When visiting the rooms, check everywhere, with the windows, toilet, kitchen, and the appliances currently there, to see if you like it and if everything is in good condition. Specifically look for mold and the upkeep of the apartment in general.
I really wish I can find a house that fits my needs.
I'm pretty sure you will. If you decide that the room that you look at meets your condition, you can proceed to make an appointment with the landlord and sign a contract together in the presence of the real estate agent you work with. In this step, please make sure that the landlord themselves comes and sign the contract, not another person. Also, when you pay the full deposit for a room, certified real estate agents are able to check the landlord's debts, yungja, to make sure that they are not at risk of being unable to pay back your deposit at the end of the contract.
Wow, so the agency fee also works as some sort of insurance.
Yep. Usually the real estate agent will ask you to provide a fraction of the deposit as a down payment to secure the house in your name when the contract is not yet signed. When you sign your contract, you just have to pay the rest of the deposit required.
Cool, I can't wait to move in.
If you're using a real estate agency service, you have to pay the commission fee, 중개 수수료, by the day you move in. You can calculate the estimated commission fee if you search 부동산 중개 수수료 계산기 on Naver.
Are there any other things to note after I move in?
After moving in, you have to change your address at the community or district office within 14 days of the date you sign a contract. This is extremely important because failure to do so will result in a fine. Also, in some cases, when you're responsible for paying utilities, you might have to call the utilities companies to update the residents' information.
Alright, Jiteng. Thank you so much for providing all this information.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching our video.
We hope it was helpful to you.
Bye.